Today I've got two exercises which we're going to run through, which I think are very, very simple to do in your own home, or really make up a really simple and structured program which can actually push your intensity quite up by these two simple exercises. However, I see a lot of people struggle with them. So I'm just going to run through a little tutorial and teach you how to do the humble push-up. Okay, so on the toes. Okay, this is the first one. We've got to draw a line between our hands or our fingers. Our chest stays above that line. We squeeze our back, squeeze our core, push. Squeeze our back, squeeze our core, push. Okay, remember you're pushing your chest outwards, okay, and not looking underneath your body and rolling. Okay, you don't want to be under here somewhere, kind of dipping, okay, to our hips, okay, or rolling. So straight body, squeeze, push. Okay, the other one is exactly the same position. It's called the hover, which we lift right up and straight back. Right up, straight back. Once again, if we're looking under here, we're kind of doing this sort of stuff, okay, or we're dropping down, okay, which is no good for compression in your lower back. Two simple exercises. You can put them back to back, okay. You might do 10 push-ups, 10 hovers, and keep rolling them out. You can do 10 sets of that if you're up to it, okay. Or you can do them singly and get the most from those basic exercises in between your weight training sessions, or you're running